Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. Lovely condition, finished in metallic black with gloss black alloy wheels. You can see the ST line badge there. Privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control. Really is in lovely condition. The bigger spoiler, rear spoiler there. Boot area's been well looked after. Rear parcel shelf. Electric windows, electric mirrors. ST line interior. Seats are in lovely condition in the back. It's got good specification as well because it does have cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. I'll just start it up. So 77,127 miles. It's got satellite navigation. Don't worry, it's not flicking, that's just a shutter speed on the video. We've got Bluetooth phone connectivity, AUX, radio, CD. It's in lovely condition. Even the air conditioning is lovely and cold. Got an AUX down there as well. No, USB, sorry, always get them confused. It's really in lovely condition. Drives ever so well. Great price range, little sporty car. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.